Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of investing. Have you ever wondered what it takes to succeed in the world of finance? Well, you're in the right place because today we're going to discuss the rules of investing. Rule number 1. Do your research. Before you jump into any investment, it's crucial to understand what you're getting into. Take the time to research the company, the market trends, and any potential risks involved. Rule number 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Rule number 3. Have a long-term perspective. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Patience is key when it comes to seeing your investments grow over time. Rule number 4. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and market trends. Being aware of what's happening in the financial world can help you make more informed decisions about your investments. Rule number 5. Seek professional advice if needed. If you're unsure about where to start or how to proceed with your investments, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. They can provide valuable insight and guidance based on your circumstances. And there you have it, the rules of investing. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. By following these rules and staying disciplined, you can set yourself up for a successful financial future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.